Good evening. So today I'm going to explain you the questions which I have given in the first exam, like DPT-1 exam for 20 marks. Okay. So let us discuss. The first two questions are from biology and third question is from physics. A person cannot see distinctly objects kept beyond 2 meters. Okay. So the person can't see if the distance increases more than 2 meters. This defect can be corrected by using a lens of power. So this is the question which I asked in MCQ, a very important question. So here, as we know that if the person who can't see the far objects, and that defect is myopia, right? Myopia. Sometimes in exam, he will give the sign also. Sign. Okay. If the sign is given negative, if the sign is given negative, then which lens? Myopia. Okay. Remember it. If the sign is positive, then lens which the prescribed lens or the preferred lens is convex lens. Okay, from sign also you can remember. So easy to remember like plus. If you just reverse it or turn it, it will become X. So even in convex also, last letter looks like X only. Okay, in that way you can remember it. Fine. Now let us come to the question. A person cannot see distinctly object beyond 2 meters. So far point. So what is the far point of the person? The far point is equals to D. Okay, the far point is D. Now, and we know the defect. Which defect it is? It is the myopia. Okay. Now, what is the focal length of myopia? Far point focal length will be negative. So, minus D. Okay. And what is the distance given here? 2 meters. So, it will become minus 2 meters. So, F is equals to focal length is equals to minus 2 meter. Okay. So, why it is negative? Because the defect is myopia. Right. And now he's asking to find the what is the length of the power. What is the lens power of the lens we need to find. Okay, what is the power formula? Power is equals to 1 by F in meters. Okay, this is the formula you should remember. In meters, 1 by F. In centimeter, 100 by F. Okay, but we'll find it in the meters only, 1 by F. So what is the F value here? F is equals to minus 2. So which is equals to minus 1 divided by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, how much? Minus 0.5. And what is the SI unit of power measured in diopters? Okay, D. So minus 0.5 D is the answer. Fine. Now let us go to the next question, fourth question. A prism ABC with BC as base. Let us consider this is a prism. Okay, triangular prism, and the name of the prism is ABC. And what is the base here? BC is a base. Placed in different orientation. As you all can see here in the options, they are placed in different orientation. Orientation means in different like different different positions. Okay, a narrow beam of white light is incident on the prism. As you can see that this arrow mark denotes white beam of light. Okay, so white light is falling on the prism in different directions. Okay, fine. Now what is the question? In which of the following cases after dispersion? Okay, the third color from the top corresponds corresponds to the color of the sky. First, you should know what is the color of the sky. What is the color of the sky? The color of the sky is blue. Okay, scattering. Okay, after scattering, the color is blue. Now he's asking from top, from up to down, from top. The third position will be the blue color. Should be the blue color. Okay, I'll show you one diagram. You'll understand it easily. Let us see this diagram. Okay, here let us consider this same as ABC. Now the white light is passing through the prism after okay, after entering into the prism. This white light is dispersed into total 7 colors. Now if you count from top to bottom, what is the top color? Red, then orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Okay, last one is the violet. But the question is asking from top to third place. Here from top to third place, what is the color? Yellow. Now I want from top to third, I want blue color. What should I do? Just reverse it. Okay, you just reverse it like this. Let us consider this as A, B, and C. You reverse it. Then it will come from violet to red. So violet, blue, indigo, and blue. Now this position we have to find out in the given question. Okay. Now see where it is. So option will be. So what will be the option? Option is option B. Okay. I hope it is clear. Now let us go to the next question. Assertion and reason. Fifth one is biology. Sixth one from physics. Assertion is a white light and passing through prism splits into its component colors. How many colors? Seven colors, as we have seen in the previous diagram. As such as the red light emerges nearest to the base of the prism. Yes. So red light falls very close to the base of the prism. Why? Because red light scatters very less. Okay, scattering is very less, and also the wavelength is more. Okay, so it deviates very less. Okay, wavelength is more and deviation is very less. So that is the reason. So that is why it formed near the base of the prism. So that is the assertion is asking. It emerges nearest to the base of the prism. Now coming to reason, we will see whether there is a relation between assertion and reason or not. Wavelength of red light is more. Yes, we all know that. That is the reason red light travels to more distance. We prefer red light as a danger signals also. Even to to stop the vehicles. Which color we prefer? Red. Okay. This is also important question. Why do we prefer red light as a signals in signals? Okay, to stop, because the wavelength of red light is more than the other component colors, and hence red light deviates least. So both are correct. Assertion is correct and reason is correct, and also reason is uh, like you know follows, or reason gives the correct expression to assertion. So answer will be option A. Okay, option A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So option A is the answer for sixth question. Okay, let us go to the seventh one. So here I have asked, write the function of each of the following parts of human eye. It is a 2 mark question. Okay, so you can write only one sentence answer. Okay, one line for every part, that is enough. Okay, I'll just show you, because I have already given the notes. And same, I'll just once again I'll show you the answer. What answer you can write, and for which answer I will give you the marks. Okay, let me share the answer. Yeah, you can see here. First one about cornea. So what is the main function of cornea? So cornea is responsible for focusing most of the light that enters into the eye. So this is the main function. Okay, the main function is to refract the light ray or bend the light ray. This is the main function. Next, iris. Okay, what is the iris? Iris is a colored part of the eye. Even same answer I have given. The notes also, that controls how much light enters the eye by adjusting the size of the pupil. Okay, this is the answer for iris. Next, crystalline lens. So what is the function of crystalline lens? The function of crystalline lens is to provide the focused, real, and inverted image on the object of the object where on the retina. So image forms on the retina. Okay, so this is the answer. Extra information also I have given here. You may write that answer also. Next one, the last one is ciliary muscles. So what is the function of ciliary muscles? Ciliary muscles main function is to adjust the focal length of the eye lens, or used to change the shape of the lens in the eye to help with focusing, because to get the clear image on the retina. These are the functions of ciliary muscles. These are the answers. Okay, let us go to the next question. Yeah. So section C, this is a 3 marks question. Write the structure of eye lens. This is very important because most of the students won't read the question properly. Here, structure of eye. When you see structure of eye, immediately what you do, you start drawing the diagram. I did not ask to draw diagram. I very clearly have mentioned write the structure. What is the structure of eye lens? The natural lens, na? So the structure of eye lens is biconvex lens. Okay. So this is the structure. That answer you should write. I didn't ask to draw the diagram because again it's a waste of time. Okay, structure is biconvex lens, and also is asking to state the role of ciliary muscles in the human eye. Previously, I have explained the answer. Same answer you can write for this question also. So you will be getting 3 marks. Let us go to the next question. The next question from physics is: a student is unable to see clearly the words written on the blackboard. Okay, something is written on the blackboard and he is not able to see them clearly. It might be blurred. Okay, placed at a distance of approximately 3 meters from him. The first one MCQ we have seen, na? Beyond 2 meters. So same way. So now what is the defect? Tell me. Defect will be myopia. So myopia, the person who is suffering with myopia, he cannot see far objects, but he can see near objects. So far objects, if person is not able to see, he will be having which defect? Myopia. And which lens? Okay, by concave lens. Okay, and the focal length will be, okay, sign. Okay, negative. That also you should remember. Clear? Fine. Now name the defect. So what is the defect? Myopia. The boy is suffering from. State the possible reasons. So if possible causes of this defect and explain the method of correcting it. So he's asking, state the possible causes. What are the possible causes? I have given the notes. So I'll give you again. I'll just tell you again. The eyeball is too long. The people who are having myopia, na, the eyeball will be too long. The eyeball is too long. It is eyeball, EYE. Okay. Second one, cornea is too curved. Cornea is too curved. Cornea is too curved. This is the second one you can write. And also, see, lens is also too strong for them. Lens is too strong. These are the 3 points you can write for this, or else the points which I have given you in the notes, that also if it is relevant to the question, then I will give the marks. Okay, so this is about 5 marks question. So you need to attempt both questions, A and B. Why do stars twinkle? Explain. This is a direct question which I have given the notes. As you all know the answer if you have learned it. Now last section, section E, it is a case based question for 4 marks. Okay, let us discuss the physics question here. The 11th one, very simple and but very important, because previously this question was asked in one time in board exam. You all can see here. So this is hypermetropia defect. Okay, fine. Now based on the diagram, few questions are asked. Each question carries 1 mark. Which type of defect as shown in the diagram? It is very clearly given. Which type of defect? Hypermetropia or hyperopia, or it is also called as far-sightedness. There are different names. Okay, so the type of defect is HYPER, hypermetropia, METROPIA. This is the answer. Next one, a person with this defect cannot see objects which object distinctly. He can't see nearby, but he can see far away. Okay, what is the another name of this defect? Another name is hyperopia. Hyperopia, or another name, far-sightedness. We can also call it as far-sightedness. Far-sightedness. Fourth question, which type of lens is used? Answer is given in the diagram itself. Which lens it is? It is biconvex lens. Biconvex lens is CONVEX. Biconvex lens is used to correct the defect. Hope you have understood. This is about first exam. Let me explain you the next exam in the next video.